Hello everyone, this is Goransh, Team Alpha, and we are working on SIT 217 robotics project. And our project is simple: robotics assembly line. We'll make assembly robots in industrial lines factories. Our team members are Khushi and vanshaj. The roles are definite, obviously. I and Khushi are working on robotic arm, and vanshaj is working on conveyor belt, obviously with the code, and I am working with the code too. Now, our project, that is industrial assembly line robot, making the industrial assembly more efficient and time saving, obviously. Now we'll come to the introduction part. Obviously, the Team Alpha's purpose is to build assembly robots for the factories and industrialists to save time and a huge manpower. And these are obviously work efficient and very accurate. These assembly robots are like very far better than humans. Obviously robots are, so yeah. And obviously they need some rest also, and because they have a wear and tear, and they are machines obviously. But it's a one time investment for sure, I can guarantee you that. And I'll give you some stats also. These stats are that there was a report in 2019 that by 2020 there will be an increase of 2.7 million robots in factories. That is a 12% rate increase from 2019. Like, that's a huge number. And the opportunities that are created by these robots are: first, design and development. These robots can design and develop many great things and new things that will help in future, that will be a huge help in future and develop the growth of the world also. Second, sales and marketing. These robots can be a very good opportunity in the sales and marketing sector. Like, they are having like a high demand right now, and having potential clients developing stuff. So yeah. And it can be a great educational service for like potential customers, that how it's gonna grow and like how it's gonna go. And research and development is the third case. That is, obviously you need updates in a robot, and the research and development should be there in assembly robots, obviously. And this is the basic need. And you can see like many more opportunities. So we'll come to the current position of assembly robots, obviously. The global market size for industrial robots is expected to reach USD 41.2 billions by 2026. That's a very huge number, I guess. And it can work anywhere, like automotive industries, like chemical industries, mechanical, electrical, and like, yeah. And after Corona, that is after 2020, and the increase, I guess, will be more, because masks, hand sanitizers, and many new things were obviously made in factories on a very huge number, in a very huge number. So I guess the product making and assembly needs a very high number of these robots. And obviously these are time saving and highly efficient. Now we'll come to the practice required for the assembly robot. That I can name three basically, that are: cost, assembly robots in bulk, and accuracy and longevity. First, the cost. Our purpose will be to make it cost efficient, obviously. Second will be assembly robots in bulk. Like, we can make assembly robots in bulk so that every small or big factory can produce their product easily with no hassle. Third is accuracy and longevity. These robots are like for like long enough, should be long enough and be accurate, so that their work is good and the product is finished on a very high note. Now, how will it solve the problem and the capabilities and how it works? It will work like basically like a normal robot. We'll make it work with Arduino Uno board, and we'll have a conveyor belt. These robotics arm will keep the product on the conveyor belt, and we'll assemble tight screws stamped on them on the product. And it'll take, I guess, very less time as compared to humans. Now, the solving the problems, and it will solve a problem of like having a large manpower, efficient, and like for it's a one time investment, and like for long years, obviously. And we'll come to the capabilities. These robots are highly versatile, you know it, and it's highly efficient, time saving, making new tools, painting, assembling new things, gluing, fastening your parts, anything. You can like do many, like 99% you can do work with these robots. Now we'll come to the components required of the robots. The robotic arm kit basically, and Arduino board, obviously, servo motors, USB conveyor belt, connecting wires, etc. Now it's a thank you from our side. You have we have mentioned some references also, so you from where we have researched the stats and something, so you can see the references also. Thank you so much.